Wagwan, my people. It's been long since I made a video like making a beat. Well, not that long, but it's been long, And I was thinking to myself today, since I got some free time, like, why not just make a beat today? And I'm in that kind of dancehall mood, you know, that that kind of time. Yeah. So get ready with me, and then we'll get into the video. So the vibe I'm feeling is not like that very like I don't know how to explain it, but it's not that kind of what the vibe I'm going for is kind of a chill vibe. That's how to explain it in a simpler way. And like, since I've been thinking about this idea of this beat, it's kind of giving me like dragons vibe. I don't know why I'm thinking about dragons, but
bear with me.
you might think I'm weird for thinking about dragons, but like, come here, let me show you. Now this is the reason why I'm thinking about dragons. This, like, like, doesn't this give you that vibe? Like, I was scrambling through my stuff and I found this guitar sample, and whenever I listen to it, it definitely reminds me of dragons. I know that's weird, but now you know the reason why. And I'm not weird, no. But like, since we got a guitar sample, then I think I'm gonna add some drums to it and see what we can come up with. But before that, I think I'm gonna change the tempo of my project to probably 102. I know you've had that before. So, and for those who don't know anything about music, tempo is like the speed. So I'm changing the speed to 102 beats per minute, and I'll leave the time signature as is, and also the key. And yeah, then I think I will delete this, and maybe start with kicks. Yeah, let's start with kicks. And a track, and I'll play them. So, and I don't know though, but like, probably get like this. Yeah, I think that will work. And let's yeah, we found our kick. Oh, I think I'm gonna change my mind a little bit about that, so I'm gonna use this instead because it sounds better. Like, if you hear this kick, and then we go back to the one I had picked before. Is this one. This one is it's okay, but so I think we'll use this one. So yeah, I will record it and yeah, see where it takes us. So after a long try, I finally managed to get the kick button. Now it sounds like this. And since I got the kick, I might as well add more elements. And I'm thinking of a shaker, like something that goes like tsk, 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 tsk. This is what I'm talking about. And that shaker and plus the kick both sound like this. And just to get that, like, pure dancehall vibe, I think I'm gonna pull out the spice, the real spice to it. I don't mean the food spice, but like the beat spice, like, you get what I mean. And that would be the clap that brings out that, and it sounds like this. But all those elements will feel lonely if we don't add a hi-hat. So we'll probably add on, but like I want my hi-hat to be like a call and response. You will see it, you will see the vision later. Something like this. But as you know, dancehall is not complete without a hard bass, and I did something like this. So after the drums, I'm gonna bring back our old mate, a guitar sample. If you don't remember, let me remind you. I'm talking about this guy right here. And after all the stuff, this and that, blah blah, I have managed to finish the beat. And for those that have managed to watch the video until the end, thank you. And this is the result. Full beat is out now, and sign out. Peace.
GG.